Welcome folks to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making barbecue pulled pork in a slow cooker. When you don't have a grill or it's too hot outside, which today it is, I'm going to cook mine in a slow cooker. I've got about a 4-pound pork butt with a bone. I've cut some slits in the pork, and I've got about 4 cloves of garlic sliced that I'm going to try to anyway, in those slits so we can get good and deep into this pork. You can cook it on slow for 5 or 6 hours, or you can cook it on high for 3 to 4 hours. We are going for the high because we're running a little bit late. We've got the garlic in the slits. Now we're going to mix our rub. I've got paprika, brown sugar, a little salt, pepper. Gonna mix that together. We're just gonna rub it all over the pork. I took a paper towel before I started and patted it dry. You could rub a little olive oil or mustard over the top so this will stick better, which I didn't do. Okay, we're going to take our pork and we're going to put it in the crock pot. Which is hot, so be careful. I've got my pork butt in the crock pot, and this is Worcestershire sauce and liquid smoke. I'm going to stir that together. We're going to pour it over the pork. And I'm going to pour just a little bit of the barbecue sauce. In there, and we'll pour the rest of it on there. After it cooks, we're going to let it cook for 3 to 4 hours on high, and it'll be tender and delicious. So we'll be back. pork roast is done. It was in there about 4 hours, and it is tender, just as tender as ever. You can just pull it off the bone like that. Ooh, it's hot. Look at that bone. It's all chopped up. This pulled pork, you can have pulled pork sliders. You can have pulled pork baked potatoes. Pulled pork mac and cheese, that would be good. Pulled pork cornbread casserole. We'll have to try that. Pulled pork grilled cheese. I love grilled cheese and I love pulled pork. That's a good combination. We're going to try some of these and let you know how they taste. So thank you for watching my videos, and I hope you try this. Let's give it a little taste. It is delicious. That smoke taste, that barbecue, that garlic, it is tender. You cut it with a cut it like butter. So hope you try it. It's good, it's fast. You don't have to heat up your oven or bring out the grill or anything. Down in the comments, let me know what's your favorite way to eat pulled pork. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. Now before we go, I want to make sure you have everything you need from today's recipe. I put the Walmart collection links for this recipe right down in the description so that it's easy to find. Also, head over to AuntSandy'sKitchen.com and visit Aunt Sandy's shop for all my Amazon and Walmart affiliate links I may have mentioned. So thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.